For creative makers, the biggest challenge isn't coming up with amazing ideas, it's finding the time to bring them to life and get them in front of buyers. That's where the Mockup Factory comes in. Our bulk mockup generator transforms what used to take at least 10 hours into just 10 minutes, giving makers back the time they need to focus on what they do best, creating and growing their business. The Mockup Factory takes your customers' designs and places them onto the mockup template. With just a click of a button, the Mockup Factory will loop through hundreds of files at an average of 2 seconds per mockup. When your customers use the Mockup Factory, everyone wins. They can launch more products, reach more buyers, grow faster, sell more, which means they'll be buying more from you too. We'd love to explore collaboration opportunities with you. If you're interested in supporting your maker community while growing your own business, let's chat about how we can work together. Take a look at the mockupfactory.com or email us at michelle@themockupfactory.com to find out more.